Hello everyone, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add another announcement bar on Shopify. As you can see right here, I currently have one announcement bar on my Shopify store. I'll be showing you how to add a second announcement bar. The first thing you will need to do is go into your Shopify admin page. Once on the admin page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option and you are going to tap right where you see Online Store. After you have tapped on Online Store, you will automatically be redirected to the Themes page. And beside the theme that you are currently using, you are going to tap on Customize. Once you have tapped on Customize, you will be redirected to the Editor page. Once on the Editor page, I want you to go over to the left-hand menu option. And you are going to see Home page, then you are going to see Header, and you are going to see Announcement bar. You can tap right there, right in the Announcement bar section. You are going to tap right there, then you are going to see a drop down arrow. And all you'll need to do now, you are going to tap on Add Announcement bar. And by the way, if you don't have any announcement bar at all, so you didn't have one, all you'll need to do, you are going to see the header section. You are going to hover over that with your mouse. Then you are going to tap on the plus at the top that says Add Section. Once you have done that, you will see the option Announcement bar. And from there, you could tap on Announcement bar. And you can see a second announcement bar has now been added. Once you have added the second announcement bar, from here you could go over to the left-hand menu option once more. You could tap on Edit. You can change the background color, you can change the text color if you want. So let's say I would like to change it, so I'll tap right there. And let's say I wanted to change it to white. I could tap on white and you can see it right there. So let me do that real quick. So I'm going to change the background color to white. So I'm going to tap on white. You can see that it has changed right there. And also if I would like to change the text color, all I would have to do is tap in the color box. Then let's say, for example, I would like to change it to green. You can see that it has now changed. Another thing that you can also do, you could tap on the X right here. Then you could scroll down and right where you see auto rotate announcements, you could tick that. Then you could choose whether you would like it to change every 5 seconds or if you'd like it to change in a shorter time span or a longer time span. Once you have selected the option, you are going to tap on Save in the top right hand corner. Now that I have saved the changes, for example, if I were to go back onto my store page, refresh this page, then after I have refreshed the page, you can see right there the two different announcement bars right there. And also if you would like to remove one of the announcement bars, all you'll have to do is go back into the editor page. Once on the editor page, from there you can tap right where you see announcement bar. Then from there you could tap on the announcement bar that you like to remove and you could tap on the eye icon right there and it will remove the bar. Also if you would like to change the text, all you'll need to do is tap right where you see Welcome to our store. Then from there you can add whatever text you want. And you could also add a link if you want. So if you would like to link it to a particular product or a particular page, you could do that. So once someone taps on that page or tap on your announcement bar, they will automatically be redirected to that link. And again, to hide an announcement bar, all you'll have to do is tap on the hide icon right here and you'll hide the bar. And that's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.